Namaste. Since a very young age, I've been really interested in history and political science and yoga. And I believe knowledge is true art. So why not combine history and political science with yoga today to tell you how is it significant in that way? Yoga has been a part of India's nation building process ever since. And this journey, or rather, this modern journey started back in 1883 when Swami Vivekanand gave a speech in America about yoga, starting with the very remarkable words, brothers and sisters of America. Since then, we have come a long journey. Today, we have a day internationally dedicated to yoga and accepted by the United Nations Assembly. We never observe, but yoga asanas have been portrayed in many ways to show national unity. Let me take you back to Abindranath Tagore's Bharat Mata painting. The Bharat Mata painting is made in or portrays Nartakas. Nartakasan shows pride, courage, and nationalism or the sense of oneness. Let me tell you something that you never observe. For the national anthem, we stand in samstiti. Yoga, something which originated in India, and there's this very wrong notion in today's youth that yoga is something which is for old people or people who are sick. But I think as youngsters who practice yoga, it is our responsibility to convey this to the whole country, or rather to more and more people, that yoga is something Indians should be proud of.